Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this extra large digital wall clock. You can see really nice, beautiful one, but this is just one of the colors. It has a lot of different possibilities regarding color. We even have some color changing modes and we have a remote control. You can see we can super easily change these colors from here. But not only colors, we can change pretty much everything with this awesome remote control. It comes even with some fancy extra features like automatic daylight saving time change and for example also automatic dimming. We even have a thermometer built in, so it shows the current temperature. It comes even with a built-in stand, but you can also mount it to a wall. It has even a fancy storage compartment for the cable which you don't need, so a lot of special features. So I'm going to show you what you get in the box, how to set it up, and then I'm going to show you a lot of these special features. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Okay, so let's open the box. Everything nicely protected. Let's take it out. And so we have even some detailed instructions. Probably the most important information here on these sides. But as soon as it's set up, it's not difficult to use actually. So here we get also power supply. You can see normal 110 volts. Comes with a long cable, also important, and it's a beautiful power supply. And here the remote control, large, easy to read. You have a lot of direct functions. Battery compartment here in the back, we can see comes already with the batteries. So we have already a lot of fancy hardware features. We have these two holes here to hang it directly on a wall, but we can use it also with these stands here on the side. I would say it has a really solid hold. We have the brightness adjustment between high, automatic, medium and low. And here we have pretty much everything what we have also on the remote control. We have the set and plus minus audio, alarm functions and even a snooze directly here on the device. So especially if you have it on your bedside table, you don't have to use the remote control. You can just grab it behind, use the snooze button or of course stop it. Very beautiful device, and also here inside very sophisticated design regarding the cable. By the way, it comes also with the batteries here inside, not only in the remote control. The batteries here are ready to be used. By the way, of course, the clock cannot run only on the batteries. Batteries are only as a backup to save the time and all your settings. And the batteries here in the remote control, they come with a plastic protection. So you have to remove the protection first. And here also super innovative feature. That's the cable storage compartment. So after connecting the wall plug, we store all the not needed cable here. Push it here inside, coil it up all the way around till all the not needed cable is properly stored here. And so we have it here, and so at the very end we can just push it here down, plug it in, make sure that everything is stored nicely. And after that we close this compartment properly, everything nicely secured. So we can plug it in, and so we can see this beautiful display, absolutely amazing. Watch this beautiful display, and this is even a color changing mode, so we don't have just static modes, we have dynamic modes. Absolutely fantastic. This red one, then solid green, solid blue, yellow, purple, and more blue versions, orange, multicolor. And we can also use the sets directly from here. Activate or deactivate the automatic daylight saving time adjustment. Select the year, the months, the date, hour, minutes. And here we see also the temperature directly here inside. Of course, there's no remote sensor which we can put outside. It's showing the temperature inside. We can adjust the brightness from almost fully dim. So for example, for the night to pretty bright. But of course, we also have the automatic adjustment. We can adjust the volume for the timer and the alarm. We can activate the alarm directly with the remote control. And then something which could be super helpful, for example, in the kitchen, we have this timer function, so we can increase the hours, minutes or seconds. For example, 2 times clicking on the minutes, then start, stop the timer. I've seen already similar devices which are really fancy, but they didn't have the remote control. So when you have it hanging on a wall, could be difficult to use. With the remote control, definitely a huge advantage. We can also switch directly here between Celsius and Fahrenheit with the remote control, or switch between 12 hours and 24 hours. To adjust the alarm time, we hold either alarm 1 or 2 for longer time. I think it's 2 seconds, and then we have all the options to adjust the alarm type, alarm time. Use the plus, minus, and the set button. And for every alarm, we can choose one of the 25 ringtones. So that's number 1, 2, 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so on. Of course, I can't play all of them. It would take too long time. And we also have some different languages. Watch this thing. Many different languages to choose from. Yeah, the options are almost endless. Really incredible. And one of the best things at all, I actually didn't have to read the instructions manual. I've been just playing around a little bit with the remote control and found pretty much everything in just a couple of minutes. For me, also something which is very important when we think about buying such a clock. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.